Reimagine, Reinvest, Renew. Prop R is a $150 million no-tax rate increase bond issue proposal on the April 2nd ballot that will invest in the safety and success of every student in Lindbergh Schools. Prop R would improve school safety and traffic flow district-wide, create facility equity across elementary schools, develop a pre-K through 12 agricultural STEM learning center on the historic Concord Farmers Club site, and provide for much-needed middle school renovations. Right now, Truman Middle School is in need of significant structural repairs and building upgrades, and Sperreng Middle School has traffic, safety, and facility needs as well. The non-functioning pool areas at both Sperreng and Truman would be converted into multi-purpose and collaborative learning spaces. Student broadcast and recording spaces would also be added to support real-world learning and student satisfaction. Additional building upgrades include maintenance-free flooring that won't require waxing and updated HVAC systems. No more outdated, inefficient window units at Truman. The district will also continue its efforts to move non-instructional services off school campuses. The warehouse located in the Truman basement will be converted into classroom space, and updates will be made to the school's boiler room, restrooms, and locker rooms. Prop R would also help replace the deteriorating roof at Truman, parts of which are currently being held up by 2x4s. At Sperreng, additional classroom space will be created in the hangar, a third kitchen for family and consumer science classes will be added, new cabinets and sinks will be installed in science classrooms, and improved traffic circulation will improve safety for walkers, drivers, and buses. With Prop R, we're investing in the safety and success of every student at every school. For more information about the proposed middle school renovations and other Prop R projects, please visit our website and remember to vote on April 2nd.